guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I got another order from Silky Socks. So I thought it would be fun to do an unboxing video. That way, if you guys are looking to get some wholesale blank socks from Silky Socks, you kind of know what to expect. Not a long video today. We're gonna get right into it. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the bell for notifications for every time that I do a new video. So, came in a box. They have, I think, FedEx and UPS for their shipping options. They don't have USPS, I think, as an option on their website, which is perfectly fine with me because even though they're cheaper, they've been taking a long time. So I ordered this order on Martin Luther King Day. They were having, I think, 52 or 53% off, which is a little bit more than you get off of the wholesale. You get 50% off for wholesale if you are signed up with an account through them, which I am. And so this took about a week to get here, so not that bad. Okay, so the one thing, this is my second order from them. The one thing that I really love about them is that they give you like a little sheet that says how long, their recommendations for how long to put them on the heat press. So that's really cool. But the other thing that I really like that you're gonna see in a minute, they give you packaging to put your socks in. So this is the bag that I got from them. There's a glare, but it has their little Silky Socks logo on it. And here are all of my socks neatly in the bag. I ordered 17 pairs of socks, and with the discount I paid a little less than $47. So not that bad for all that I bought. And I got some kid socks and I got some of the adult socks. These are the little bags that come with your order, and they have them labeled by size. So you don't even have to go out and buy your own packaging to put your socks in if you don't have any. They already have it in there for you. And so at $2 per sock, plus they give you the packaging to put them in, it's really a good deal. And just a disclaimer, I am not affiliated with Silky Socks in any way. This is just an unboxing video. I do not get paid for this video, just so that you guys know. This is their streetwear sock in the adult. I think these are all larges. Mediums and larges. So this is the adult streetwear sock, and you are able to sublimate on the entire sock from this part all the way down to the toes. You can sublimate on the whole thing. The top of it is ribbed. And there's a glare from my camera, but it is ribbed. You can kind of see, and the bottom is pretty thick, so you could wear it in the winter and your feet would still probably be warm, but it's not too thick that you can't wear them in the summertime. So that's what these look like. And then I also got some more of the kid socks. You guys, if you've seen my last video or one of my last videos where I did the socks, I showed you the kid socks, but these are the little kid socks. You can sublimate on the entire sock. They do have some where you can only sublimate on the top and not the bottom, and they have a cotton bottom. These are 100% polyester or 95%, but you can sublimate on the entire sock. And for these, the best thing about these kids ones is you can use an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper for these, so it doesn't cost that much. You use two, one for the front, one for the back. So the kids ones are actually, and you can do it on a small heat press if you do the kids socks. So if you have a small heat press, these are something that you can do on a smaller heat press. And then I just ordered just a couple of their dress socks. And these, once again, you can sublimate on the entire sock. What I really like about these is that the heel of it is black and the toe is black, so you don't have to worry about trying to get your image in the heel portion because it's black. So I really like these. They do not make these in kid sizes. Silky Socks, if you're watching, I would really love this in a kid size. So, but these are really nice. I'm actually wearing some of these right now. These are very comfortable and they're on the thinner side because they're dress socks, but I wear them as just regular socks. But these are their dress socks. They're thinner. You can sublimate on the entire sock. So that was it. Like I said, short video. I do have a video where I actually sublimate on the socks, so if you're interested in that, I will link that down below so that you can go ahead and watch that. I will probably do another video very soon using the Silky socks, showing you how you can sublimate on one of the adult socks, one of the bigger street socks, using a small heat press. If you have a smaller heat press, it is possible to do. So I will show you how to do that maybe in the next couple of weeks. So if you are interested in something like that, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the bell for notifications for every time I do a new video. Shooting for at least one a week, but it's been 2 lately. So if you are interested in crafting, sublimation, Cricut, sewing, which actually, excuse the mess, I've actually been doing a lot of sewing, so sewing videos are coming. So if you're interested in any of those, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.